Good evening. I am Father Movin, Menezes, assistant in St. Joseph's Church, South Zediarian. We have visited the exhibition along with the youth and the altar servers. And my experience for the whole exhibition, how many times have I attended the Mass? How many times as a priest I have celebrated the Mass? But to believe in the real presence in the Eucharist, information like this, for which Carlo Acutis dedicated his life documenting every single Eucharistic miracle, encourages us to believe in the real presence of Jesus. It helps us to attend Mass more devoutly, to pray more fervently. And this exhibition, I think, has achieved that purpose. Not many of us were aware of so many Eucharistic miracles throughout the world, but documenting them and placing them before us so beautifully has touched our lives. And I can guarantee and believe that all of our children, altar servers, the youth who came here today will go home enriched believing in Jesus. Thank you to the organizers and especially the parishioners of St. Sebastian Church, Aquem, for giving us an opportunity to be here to witness something truly miraculous. God bless you all.